In this video, you are going to learn the surprising skincare benefits of pomegranate. If you want complete guide, visit our website. The link is in the description below. The first benefit is Collagen Boost. Pomegranates are a great way to boost collagen production. Collagen is an important protein in our body, responsible for keeping our connective tissues strong and healthy. At number 2 is Antioxidant Defense. Antioxidants are essential for keeping your skin healthy and youthful. And it turns out that a compound in pomegranates is particularly effective at fighting free radicals. Last but not least is get glowing skin. Pomegranates have long been associated with beauty and health. If you want glowing skin, then pomegranate must in your diet. If you want to get complete guide, read our blog. The link is in the description below.